Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Silk beige MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one also does have the keyless feature where you kick the swipe and the tailgate will close. Premium 3 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, number seats, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 24,180 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class, visit us at feldmanimports.com.